Hi there, my name is Karina Kaim. I'm the data lead at Kaigo. We are the organizers of Taiwan Industry Week, Taiwan's largest B2B cross-industry manufacturing trade show. If you're here, then you know that we have a Christmas giveaway. And this year, we are giving away one lucky buyer a business class trip, as well as 4-night stay in Taipei to visit our show in 2026. So, in this video, I'm going to explain 3 things. The first is, what is Taiwan Industry Week? The second, whether you qualify for this raffle or not. And the third is, how do you apply should you qualify for this raffle? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what our show is about, who is able to actually come and join us for this particular raffle, and whether you want to join or not. So let me answer the first question. What is Taiwan Industry Week? Taiwan Industry Week is Taiwan's largest cross-industry B2B exhibition. 4 shows under one roof encompassing all things manufacturing in hardware, metal, HVAC, refrigeration, and safety. Collectively, our shows have been running for 43 years, and we have welcomed over 500 million visitors. Each of our shows are leading shows in their respective industries, and they have been the pioneers for the Taiwanese market for international trade. On that note, Kaigo, the organizer, is the oldest privately held trade show organizer in Taiwan, and we're the first to bring international exhibitors, exhibitions, and buyers in a trade show setting to Taiwan. So, who is this giveaway for? If you are sourcing from Asia and you are specifically looking for suppliers in the field of hardware, metal, HVAC, and safety, then Taiwan Industry Week is a must visit. But this giveaway is only for serious buyers. It's only for those who are looking for suppliers in Taiwan or looking to establish new business relationships with potential suppliers. For this reason, we have worked with TAITRA, Taiwan's international trade platform, to do the pre-vetting and the qualifications of international buyers to come to Taiwan under this program. Third, how to join the raffle. This is the easy part. So if you've decided that Taiwan Industry Week is definitely the show for you to join and that you're looking for suppliers here in Taiwan, then just click on the button that says join the raffle on this website, fill in the application form, it'll be sent over to our team, they'll give it a look through, and they'll contact you directly about additional documents that you need to send in. Once everything's been verified, you're officially part of the raffle. On the 25th of December, we'll select one lucky winner, and this lucky winner will be able to get this complete package. Now, if you don't win, that's okay, because we are still going to comp 3-night stay in Taipei to visit our show. So one way or another, you're gonna win something the moment you are verified. Lastly, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us or fill in our contact form and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you in 2026 in Taipei.